How to enable or disable unknown tracker alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on safety and emergency. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on unknown tracker alerts. At the top, tap on allow alerts. Tap on the toggle button to turn off tracker alert or switch it on. Now when we turn it off, it says your phone will no longer automatically scan for trackers that are traveling with you. Info for any previously detected trackers will be deleted immediately. So tap on the turn off button to turn off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.